In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your tweet activity on Twitter. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to view things like impressions, engagements, profile visits, and more for any tweet on your account. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to the X, formerly known as Twitter, homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account whose tweet activity you want to check. If you use multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're on the correct one, so the stats you see actually match the tweets you care about. Once you're on the home dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options such as Home, Explore, Notifications, and so on. In that column, find and click on Profile. This will take you straight to your personal profile page, where all of your tweets, replies, and media live. On your profile, scroll until you find the specific tweet you want to analyze. It can be a recent post or something older. As long as it's one of your own tweets, you can see its activity. Underneath each tweet, you'll notice a row of icons for reply, retweet, like, and share. Among these, there is an additional icon that represents engagement or analytics. It often looks like a small bar chart or graph. Click on that engagement icon for the tweet you're interested in. This is the key step that opens up your tweet activity details. After you click, a card or panel will appear on your screen, usually as a pop-up or an overlay. On this tweet activity card, you'll see a breakdown of how people have interacted with that specific tweet. One of the main numbers you'll notice is impressions. Impressions show how many times your tweet was viewed on X, including repeat views by the same person. You'll also see engagements, which count actions like clicks, likes, replies, and retweets. Profile visits indicate how many people clicked through to your profile after seeing that tweet. Detail expands. Tell you how many people tapped on the tweet to read more, view media, or see the full conversation. Take a moment to look through these numbers and think about what they mean for your content. You can repeat this process for any of your tweets, simply by going back to your profile and clicking the same engagement icon on another post.